Hi everyone, in front of me I've got an INFINIX Note 40 Pro Plus, and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find either users and accounts or Google. It's up to you, I prefer this one, so let me tap on it. Here we've got the accounts for owners, so this is the Google account I've previously added, so we can start our tutorial with removing the account. So let's tap on it and tap on remove account. Tap on remove account again. If you're sure, tap on OK. Enter the pattern, PIN or password, and as you can see, the account will be immediately removed. Be aware that you need to have the internet connection. You can use Wi-Fi or mobile data. So now we can add the account. Let's tap on this plus icon, choose Google, and as I said, make sure that you've got the internet connection and confirm everything with your screen lock. Right here in this step, you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me quickly do it and tap on next. Right here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on next. Here we have to decide who will be using this device, so up to you, and then tap on next. Right here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course we can read it, just tap on it and there you've got the info, and tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so just tap on accept, and as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.